We will try to do this challenge in 15 minutes. How many questions that I can do? Okay, the 15 minutes starts now. This one, you need protector. Please check it using your own protector, okay? This one is 40 degree. This one is 40 degree. And this one is the calculator questions. Square root of 5. Square root of 5 times 36. 6 square is 36, right? Rounded to 2 decimal place. So 50. No, not 50. 80.50, right? This one, 21:15. A journey starts at 21 day and ends calculate time taken in hour any 21:15 until 22. It will be what? 45 minutes. And then 22 to 24 is 2 hours, and then 24 to 0433 33, it will be 4 hours and 33 minutes, which is this one is 6 hours 78 minutes. So basically this one is 7 hours and 18 minutes. Okay, the total surface area of this cubit, okay, the formula will be 2 times length times width plus length times height, and then width times height. So 2 times length times width, 7 times 4 plus 7 times 5, and then plus 4 times 5, right? Like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 2 times 28 plus 35 plus 20. So 28 plus 30, which 28 plus 35 plus 20 will be equal to what? And then times it by 2, 166. Okay. Write down the gradient of the line of y is equal to 5x plus 7. So remember, this one using the format of y is equal to mx plus c. The m is the gradient, the c is where the line intersects the y-axis. Yeah, so if you look here, then the gradient, it will be 5. Yeah, and then find the coordinate of the point where the line y is equal to 5x plus 7 cross the y-axis. Okay, like I said before, c is where the line intersects the y-axis, which is it will be 7. You need to give the information in a complete way, in a coordinate form. So if it's on the y-axis, the x will be 0, and then after that y is 7. Yeah, and this one I cannot show it to you, but basically how to do this one, it's about drawing, right? Using a ruler and compasses only. Construct this triangle. Live in your construction arcs. Construction arcs is like a part of the circle, a part of the circumference of a circle. Yeah, the side of length 12 centimeter has been drawn for you. This one, the length of the line given here is already for this one. Now how about the 9.5 centimeter side and the 8 centimeter side? Now listen to me. The first one that you need to do, you need to take your compasses and set your compasses so the distance between the pointing and the pencil is like 9.5 centimeter. After that, the pointing, you put it on this side because the 9.5 centimeter is from this vertex, right? So start with this vertex. The pointing, you put it here, and then after that, for the pencil one, you draw it. Like so, for example, it will be like this, just an arc. So this one is the part of the circumference of the circle with the radius 9.5. What does it mean? it means that the distance between this vertex with all the points that are available on this arc, the distance will be always 9.5, right? Because dealing with a radius. And then after that, the 8 centimeter, then you set the distance between the pointing and the pencil, 8 centimeter, and then after that, the pointing part, you put it on this vertex. And then the pencil, you use it to draw it the arc, for example, like this. So it means the distance between this vertex to all the points of this arc, it will be 8 centimeter. Now, how to draw this one? Yeah, correct. You will use the intersection between the arc, because the intersection between arc meaning what? The distance from this one to this one is 9.5 centimeter, and this one to this one will be 8 centimeter. And then after that, using a ruler, you draw the triangle. This, okay? Leave the arc there. It says leave in your construction arc, and then you write it like 9.5 centimeter, and then here 8 centimeter, and then here is 12 centimeter. Okay, next 6 minutes 15 seconds. Okay, so number 8, this one. Okay, well, if you look here, the shape is the same, the orientation's the same, but it's getting smaller or it's getting bigger. So this one will be an enlargement, right? So on the grid, draw the image of triangle A, okay, the shaded one, after a reflection in the y-axis. Where is the y-axis? This one, y-axis, yeah, the vertical line. Reflection meaning what? It's like mirroring. So the distance between the object to the mirror is the same with the distance with the mirror and the image of the shape. Yeah, so how? Okay, this vertex of triangle A, the distance to the y-axis is 1, so the location of this one for the image, it will be 1 from the y-axis, so it will be here. And then after that, this one, the distance from this one to the y-axis as a mirror, it will be like 4 boxes. So it means the image will be 4 boxes away from the y-axis, so it will be here. And then this one, it will be 3 from the y-axis, so the distance of the image from the y-axis, it will be 3 boxes away, so it will be here. And then we're done, and we connect it, right? Yeah, we connect it. And then yeah, that one is the eye. You can like give a code I. And then after that, the other one, triangle A, after the translation by the factor -3. So if you have a factor like this one, it means the first one, the first number, that one will be the how the shape need to move horizontally. And then the second number, the -4, is moving vertically. If it's positive, go to the right. If it's negative, go to the left for the first one. And the bottom one, positive going up, and bottom negative going down. Okay, so this one will be go to the left 3 and then go to the bottom 4. Yeah, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then after that, I draw the same shape. And then 3, right? I don't use ruler. Basically like that lah. Okay, so describe fully the image transformation that maps A onto triangle B. So A to B, okay? The shape is getting smaller. Even it's getting smaller, it means we still use the enlargement, because rotation, no. And then after that, translation is also no, right? So this is getting smaller. Now, if it's getting smaller, then the scale factor, it will be a fraction. Yeah, but if it's like getting smaller, for example, but it's rotated, then it will be negative. Yeah, the scale factor will be negative fraction. Right now, it will be a positive fraction because the position the orientation of the object is still the same, but it's getting smaller. Getting smaller for how much? Well, we can see from where, yeah. Let us see later. Okay, now the first one, guys. This question consists of 3 points, so I need to get 3 things, yeah. Enlargement, scale factor, and also center. First, I will go to the center first. Where's the center of the enlargement? Now, how to do that? You just draw, like, connect the vertex of the image with the vertex of the object. So it's like this, yeah, and then like that, yeah. This one connected with this vertex because it's the same, right? After the enlargement. So this one you go also like this. If you look on the line, basically if the drawing is accurate, then it seems that what all the line actually meet at 9, -1, yeah, 9, -1. So that's like the point that is used to make the A smaller or make the A become the B. Now, how do I know the scale factor? Well, I will look like this one. For example, this vertex, yeah, this vertex and this vertex. The first one, you have, can you see that there is 2 parts of this? This one, let's say I call it this one 1 unit, come from 4 boxes horizontally and 1 box vertically, right? And then after that, I also have one exactly the same like that 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4, this one is 4 and 1. So I have 2 units of this. And now, after I enlarge it, it become only 1. So from 2 become 1. Now my question is 2 multiply by what? So it become 1, yeah. Half, yeah. 2 times half is 1, right? So the scale factor is half. The same thing like this one. Look, yeah. This one to this one is like 1 unit. Come from how many boxes? 3 boxes horizontally, 3 boxes vertically. And then the original one is from here to here, right? And then in here also you have 3 boxes horizontally, 3 boxes vertically, right? So originally you have 2, and then now for the image you only draw 1. So the question is like how to make the 2 become 1? Oh, times it with half. So that's the scale factor, half. Okay, done. And then after that, factorize completely this one. Now you need to find the common factor for the variable and also for the coefficient. Where's the coefficient? Coefficient is all the numbers that are available in front of the letter. Variable is the letter, yeah. So look, 12 and 21. What is the biggest number that can divide both of them? I think it would be 3. And then if you look on the variable, basically both of them have a single A, right? They have a single A, both of them. So 3A. And then after that, I will take the 3A from each of the terms. So 12A to the power of 3 divided by 3A. It becomes 4A to the power of 2. And then this one will be, what? I don't know, 7? Is it correct? 12A to the power of 3 minus 21A. Yes. So the answer will be 3A for A square minus 7. I cannot do anything than that. Okay, this one, the first term, the n term of the sequence, n squared plus 7. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. Okay, term 1, term 2, term 3. It means what? N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. And the last thing you need to do, you evaluate the n term. Yeah, If n is 1, 1 square 1, 1 plus 7, 8. N square, n2, it means 2 square 4, 4 plus 7 is 11. And n3, meaning 3 square 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay? The next one. These are the first 4 terms of a different sequence, 15, 7, negative 1, negative 9. Look, this one is negative 8, this one is negative 8, this one is negative 8, right? The difference is the same. This one is a linear sequence. How to deal this one for the n term? Well, the difference is negative 8, so you write the negative 8, give a present to the negative 8n, because it appears many times. It's very diligent to show up on our sequence, so we will give n to the negative 8. And then after that, what else? Find the term number 0 here. If this one is 15, then the term before that one will be what? It will be 23. Yeah, positive 23. So plus 23. So in here, the end will be negative 8n plus 23, right? Now, as the temperature increases, people eat more ice cream. What type of relationship or correlation does this statement describe? Okay, so basically, if I draw it on the graph like this one, if this one represents the people and this one represents the temperature, it means when the temperature getting higher, the number of people will increase, and so on and so on and so on. So the line will like go up. If it's go up, then it means the correlation will be positive. But if, for example, you draw a graph and then on the question it seems like the graph is going down like this one, then the answer will be negative, of course. Come on, the next one is this one. Oh, this one is about the interest. There is a simple interest for the A, and then it seems on the B, it will be the compound interest. Now, what is the difference between two of them? Simple interest, it means every year you will get the same interest, no matter your balance is. The balance will always the base, the principle that is used to calculate the interest is always in this case the $700. But if we're dealing with the compound, it means what? The calculation of the interest will be based on the current principle. So let's say, okay, at the beginning you open the account, you give $500 in it, and then after that, at the end of the first year, you get $10. So it means you get $510, right? And then to calculate the interest for the second year, the principle that is used will be 510, something like that. So the calculation for the interest per year is based on the newest balance in your account, the newest balance of money that you have, or the total money that you have. Okay, so in here, Sanjay invests $700 in an account paying simple interest at a rate of 2.5 per year. So it means we calculate first what will be the interest that Sanjay get per year. So interest per year, it will be for per year, it will be 2.5 over 100, which is that one is the percent, and then you times it with 700. I can cross this one with this one, so it means 2.5 times 7, which is, that one will be, I don't know, it will be $7.50. Again, if you're dealing with the money, make sure you write 2 numbers behind the dot, never only 1, because the place for the cent is 2, not only 1, right? And then after that, how many years I need to wait? Okay, 6 years. So total interest will be, yeah, of course, every year he will get $17.50. And for 6 years, it means I will times it by 6, which is, the result will be $105. So basically, what will be the total money that he will get? Yeah, of course, 700 plus 105, which is, it will be $805 and yeah, 0 cent. Okay, that one is a simple interest. How about, wow, this one is already 1952. 54. Okay, maybe this one will be the last questions that I will discuss. Mira invests 700 in account paying compound interest at a rate of R% per year. At the end of 17 years, the value of her interest is $1,030, 35 cents, right? Find the value of R. So the money that she has after 17 years is $1,030 and 35 cents. And that one come from what? Okay, I will write it here. It will be this one. This one come from what? What is the formula of the compound interest? It will be principal times 1. Now I will put this one plus, because this one is a compound interest. Compound interest is about adding money to the balance, right? To the current balance plus. But if like you're dealing with compound or exponential something, but you can sense that it will decrease the number, then instead of writing plus here, you write the negative minus, yeah. And then after that, what? You put the R and then over 100, and then after that, this one will be the year. Yeah, so I will put it here. I will do it like really fast. The principal will be the money in the account, the original amount of money that she has in the account. I don't know, she or he, her. And then 1 plus the R, this one is being questioned, and then the N will be the year 17, right? And then after that, okay, I will try to make the R become the subject of this equation, right? So how to do that? Well, okay, first, yeah, I will move the 700 to the left. So it means I will divide both of them by 700, right? Because 700 divided by 700 become 1, right? So I will make it like this. Like this one, done. And then after that, this one, the right one is being squared by 17. I need to get rid the square, the root of 17 there. I don't know like how to say it, but like the root. No. I need to eliminate the power 17 by using what? By using the root, right? So I will do like this one. Don't forget to give the closing there, and then is equal to, okay? After that, I will move the 1 to the left because this one is addition, so the 1 here becomes -1. So I will write it here, 17. Minus 1 is equal to R over 100. And then after that, to get the R, right? To get the R at last, yeah? Or I will not do that. Wait. I will not do this. Maybe you will confuse. I will put the 100 together with this one, right? So R, oh yeah, it's correct. R will be equal to what? Square root of 17. 1030, 35 over 700 minus 1, like this one, and then times it with 100. There you are. We're almost done. Yeah, 1030.35 divided by 700, and then the 17 root answer, and then minus 1, and then times it with 100. Ding. So basically the answer will be 2,3. Do I need to give a percent? No. 2, if rounded to 3 significant figure, yeah, I will put the 0. It's fine. Like that. Okay, so there you are. I'm done. Well, for 12 questions, I need to use my 25 minutes after rounding up. Yeah, 25 minutes here. How about you? Just try it. Okay, so in 25 minutes I can do 12 questions from this paper. I hope you will learn something here. From what paper? February, March 2022. Bye guys.